Hello YouTube, this is Dawn with Double D Homestead, and today I'm at my brother's house, Wilson. Say hi, Wilson, to everyone.
Hi, Wilson, to everyone.
And he has got a composting toilet, and I thought y'all would find this interesting, so he's gonna unbox it for us.
$30 on the average. I got mine a hair cheaper, like $9.75. I'm gonna get out of this shipping and taxes. Still almost $1,100. All right.
What do you got there?
We got the top of it. That's what the top looks like. Pack's pretty good. No styrofoam, that's good. I hate styrofoam. All right. Get this all together.
Hold on.
All right. Looks like it's pretty much already set up. Uh-oh.
A note.
Just for you card. The toilet just for you. I don't know. I'll look at that later. And on the inside here, it's got a little pooper flapper. And then it's got latches. The only reason I know all this, I've watched so many videos on these already. And this is the top of it. And it comes with a hose, the crank, and the stuff for the vent. Oh, there's bands in here. So wire it up, I guess.
Does it have a motor on it?
Yeah, it's right here. It's on the side here. It's on one side or the other. One of them's got a motor on it, looks like. But anyway. A couple of brackets for something I don't know for. A round thing in my power. A fuse and something to plug in the fan with. Looks like I gotta have my own power source. I'll read that in a little bit. Basically, inside of it's right here. Head crank. Looks like I need an Allen wrench. I cut it off for another belt.
What you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
This is this is a cap for the urine bottle. Just put it on that way if you want to. Okay, now you want to keep an eye on this. You don't want to let it get too awful full. Because having to take that out, you really don't want to splash it on yourself. All right. Anyway, it's got a little hinge here. It goes under just like that. Shut it. But we're going to load it first with some cocoa cord. This is what it looks like. You can get it on a block. And it's pretty tough. Pretty heavy too. This is what it looks like after you get it damp and busted up. You can fill this up. Fill it up right even with the bars. I won't be doing that after I use it a couple of times.
And just your solid to go in that, right?
Yeah, the solid goes in the back, and then it goes in the front.
Why cocoa core?
Huh?
Why cocoa core?
Well, cocoa core is supposed to help with bugs, and I live out in the middle of the woods here. I got bugs, so this should help with gnats and that kind of thing. It's supposed to help with gnats. But peat moss is the preferred stuff you're supposed to put in it. And if, oh, let me see. paddles here. He just turns it, stirs it up. This isn't very heavy, but there you go.
That's it.
Let me get both at the same time here. There you go. It's got a little paddle here to open and close, and you hook the hose up to it and it creates a vacuum on it. Which one has a fan in it? That one does. But anyway, it keeps negative pressure on it. And the top of it here, that's your urine separator. That's where you whizzy, and then you number 2. You say you keep a bottle of vinegar spray around just to
keep it clean.
Keep it clean, yeah. Keep the smell down. And that's pretty much it.
So are you excited?
I think it'd be all right.
Hold on, does it fit? Tell him that, Wilson.
Yeah, just so you know, if you're guys and girls both that sit down on it, these holes here, it looks like I might be able to get me one of them big long funnels you use for automotives. Stick it in one of them holes and I won't have to sit.
Alrighty. You got my camera?
Yeah.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video on this
Nature's Head.
Yeah, Nature's Head toilet that he got, and I guess you're gonna be installing this today?
Not today, maybe tomorrow.
Today. Okay.
Yeah, there's just something about pooing and peeing in water that you can drink. Just another something right with me. Not to mention I have a 1,500-gallon water tank, and it's like hauling water now is about $70 to get a load in.
Yeah, this is the
And
water.
I'm sure it's went up since everything else kind of went up just a tad.
Alrighty, well thanks, bro. Alrighty, y'all. Thanks for stopping by, and thank you to all my subscribers and new subscribers. And y'all take care, and God bless you.